This is an aircraft that creates artificial rain through cloud seeding in the United Arab Emirates. Its registration number is N6151A, and it is aircraft of a private company of America. After looking at the flight data records, I came to know that aircraft with the same registration number is in Dubai. Just one day before the flood, takeoff took place from Zayed International Airport in Abu Dhabi at 4 p.m. on 15th April 2024. Looking at the satellite view records, it was found that on this very day and at this time, there were a lot of clouds over the United Arab Emirates, which were Barsana was probably the responsibility of this plane. Where did this plane go after takeoff and what did it do? Let's talk about it later in the video. Welcome back to my channel. The climate of UAE is very dry, and there is very little rain there, but this time, not in a few days, but in a few hours. As much rain fell as Dubai sees in the whole year. Due to the excellent administration system of Dubai, it is also called Mini Europe. But this time, thousands of vehicles, homes, shops, and offices were drowned in water for the next 5 days, and draining the water remained a headache for the Dubai government. Was this the result of cloud seeding in Dubai, or did their sewerage system fail, and if yes, then how? On April 14, 2024, a series of rains from the Gulf of Oman enter Oman with a strong storm, and torrential rains hit Oman first. Water gets accumulated on the roads, and 20 people lose their lives. Within no time, this trend entered UAE by 16th April. Initially, it was considered as a normal rain, which was up to 20 millimeter, but soon the rain increased, and in just a few hours it increased from 20 millimeter to 142 millimeter. Due to standing water several feet deep on the busy roads of Dubai, it reaches up to 2 inches, causing traffic chaos, and people are confined to their homes, while in some areas water even came inside the houses. Information has been received about waist-deep water accumulation. It can be seen in many videos that valuables in people's homes have been destroyed due to water. Due to the closure of many shops, people have also lost the means to eat and drink. And people become distressed due to hunger, but the rain shows no sign of stopping. Even at Dubai International Airport, where thousands of flights normally land in a day, due to standing knee-deep water on the runway, this airport is not suitable for landing. Such a scene began to present itself that the planes that were at the airport remained standing, and all the incoming flights started being diverted. Instead of hours, the journey of the passengers present at the airport started turning into days. The seemingly minor rain gradually started happening. Slowly, the world's most developed city is completely jammed, and schools, offices are closed for unknown duration. The owner of a famous insurance company of Dubai says that in just 1 week, we get thousands of car insurance claims. Weather claims have been made, which is 400% more than before. Similarly, insurance claims worth millions from restaurants and shops have been made, which is too much for us. Meteorological authorities say that they started recording weather data from 1949. It was the highest rainfall in UAE since 1949 till now in 75 years. But the real question which is present in everyone's mind is what happened that the driest area of the world got engulfed by such heavy rains. After the devastation caused by rains, a rumor started spreading on social media that these rains are the result of cloud seeding in Dubai. Is this rumor really true? The plane with registration number N6151A took off from Abu Dhabi Airport around 4 p.m. on 15th of April 2024. Its route can be seen that first it went straight over the mountainous area on the east coast of the United Arab Emirates and circled there, and then it went to the east of Sharjah. Similar rounds were made again at 2 different locations, and then finally, after making a round over Labab in the east of Dubai, it landed back at Abu Dhabi Airport at around 5:30 in the evening, but the National Airport of United Arab Emirates Deputy Director of the Center for Metrology says that the cloud seeding ship had definitely taken off that day, but it had not done any seeding activity. Cloud seeding was done for the first time in Dubai in 1990 due to water shortage. The basic rule of cloud seeding is that when such clouds are also seen, which are just forming, At that time, particles are sprayed on them through aircraft, which are mostly salt or silver iodide. When this salt comes in contact with the moisture present in the clouds, the vapors first convert into ice crystals. And then, due to being heavy, they start raining. As the temperature changes while coming down, they turn from ice to droplets. If United Arab Emirates does not do cloud seeding, then these clouds will naturally go somewhere else and rain. Question arises, is it really because of cloud seeding that caused flood in Dubai and Oman? People say that because of the storm that was already coming, cloud seeding played the role of catalyst, and only then. The matter was out of Dubai's hands, but my investigation shows that this much rain cannot be the result of cloud seeding because the aircraft we tracked was flying only over UAE and not over Oman, whereas in satellite view, if seen, the clouds themselves were coming from Oman. Experts also have a similar opinion. Weather experts say that cloud seeding definitely causes rain, but not so much rain that it creates a flood situation. It is said that rain is not created through cloud seeding, rather the rain is already present in the air, and it is just rain through seeding. That is why it is not right under any circumstances to hold cloud seeding responsible for this flood. Frederick, a famous climate expert from Imperial College of London, says that these rains are the result of human climate change. That is, due to our mistakes, the climate around the world is changing, which includes our agricultural processes, industrial processes, and destruction of forests. The whole world is suffering from climate change, and if a solution is not found, then the whole world may have to suffer the losses due to extreme weather changes in the coming few years. Experts also says that if such rains had happened in a country where it rains regularly, then perhaps there would not have been so much loss. This happens as much as it has happened in United Arab Emirates and Oman. The reason for this is that there is generally not much rainfall in UAE and Oman, hence there is no proper drainage system here, and the city has faced flood-like situations recently. Dubai's recent flood shows that urban engineering has failed the test of climate change. The first thing is that we should not forget that Dubai was built on sand, which absorbs water easily. But if we cover this sand with concrete, then obviously ability to absorb water will reduce, and something similar has happened with Dubai too. Real estate developers have changed the natural terrain of Dubai, and now the land here absorbs water very little. That is why after every few years, the sewerage system here has to be increased. Another issue is that the population of Dubai is increasing day by day, and with the population, and the waste is also increasing. We do not see garbage on the streets of Dubai, but this garbage has to be deposited somewhere. You have to know that the sewerage system of Dubai is not big enough to remove 142 millimeters of rainwater suddenly. Hence, when the water started standing, it carried away the waste along with it and easily blocked the already small sewerage system and caused trouble. New York City also had a similar situation. Schools, roads, and houses got waterlogged. Sewerage lines, which were already underwater, due to the soil, were already half chocked when suddenly more water came. Then, it could not bear it. It sounds a bit strange, but till now, many areas in Dubai have not been given sewerage connections. Even in the world's highest building, Burj Khalifa does not have a scraper. All the waste of Burj Khalifa is stored in a septic tank, and it is emptied on a daily basis with the help of dumpers. Luckily, in the reign of 16th April, Dubai has resources and technology as well as better management was present. That is why, with the help of tankers and machinery, water was removed from most of the locations and the system was restored. But this was not the last rain. Such rains can happen again because the threat of climate change is always looming. That's why Dubai's ruler, Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, has approved 80 billion dirham for additional sewerage lines in Dubai. That is the same amount with which 15 Burj Khalifas can be rebuilt. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.